Hey there everyone, so as you can see on the thumbnails, I'm about to teach you how to change your Google Drive password in an easy and quick way. So without further ado, let's get started. So here's something you need to know first. Google Drive doesn't have its own password. It uses the same password as your Google account, which is your Gmail login. So to change your Google account Drive password, you have to change your Gmail or Google account password. Alright, so first of all, open the Gmail app and tap your profile picture in the top right. Then tap Manage your Google account. Swipe to the Security tab. Scroll down and find Password. After that, you need to enter your current password to confirm or identify your identity. Then after that, type your new password, then confirm it by tapping it again. After you do that, your new password is now active for Google Drive, Gmail, YouTube, and all other Google services. So that's it. Now you know why Gmail matters and how to change your Google Drive password the right way. Thanks for watching and take care.